Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 camera crashing issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here click on camera. Now in camera, click on force stop to force stop the camera app. Now here click on OK to confirm and then scroll down and click on storage. Now in storage, clear the app data and cache memory of camera app. Now here click on delete and then go back to settings and now click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset settings. And now enter your lock screen password.